I think this is coming about as a result of a Supreme Court decision some time ago. The courts look at the charter. The charter's in place. A lot of people like the charter, and the charter has created a situation where we talk about rights a different way, in a very direct way across the board. And the way the charter is written, it's hard to see how one particular segment would be excluded. So that's what the courts have ruled.
Have people rape and murder, how about excluding them?
I don't necessarily say I agree with it. If had I been on the court, I would have disagreed with it. It is a problem with what we've done with our justice system by moving decisions which are essentially political and putting them in the hands of judges. And the court decision, I think, although it didn't apply, it was from a Saskatchewan case, it's really such that I think the Saskatchewan authorities had little choice but to change the law.
In that case, why bother to vote? Why bother to stand? I mean, why not just install a dictator? But before the charter in this country, this is a serious point. This country enjoyed the rights and privileges of any free nation. Yeah. What we did with the charter, which is really the manifestation of one man's supreme ego, was to divide this country into battling special interest groups. There are certain rights that do evolve, and some we should have, but the idea that everyone has a basic right to everything, there are responsibilities as well. And the idea of people who are serial killers, who are murderers, who are rapists, you don't go to prison unless you've done something seriously wrong. Yeah. They have the right to vote. That can be, and if we question it, well, I'm sorry, because the charter says you're wrong.
Well, it's a system that we've lived under since 1982. I mean, I happen to think
would you get rid of the charter?
No, I wouldn't get rid of the charter. The charter is there, and it has been good for in a number of areas. But I think for equality rights in many, to just name one.